So even in the bad situations, it is not easy for them to get panic because they believe they can solve it and they will get over it or they can maintain it. And the second point is about diplomatic. Diplomatic is something like they can read the situation before taking action. And when they do take the actions, they will take their breath without being rude to other people. I mean, without being good to other people or to others' opinions. And the next point is what? The next point is comfort. This is the best part that I like from the type speaker because they are the people who appreciate the time. I mean, they always like the time. So if you got a friend with an A type, just make sure not to be late. Even though for 3 minutes, because if you late for 3 minutes, they will check their watch. Okay, so just make sure. Next point. Well, organized. Organized here, organized here, the controller. The controller. I don't mean that they like to control the other people's life, but control here means is they control their own life. And everything what they do, they will do their best for them. And they know what is the purpose of doing something. Besides, it is easy for them to find everything like finding remotes, the TV remote, finding the books, or some other thing. Next.
Astagfirullah,
is responsible, and I believe you know what responsible means. And what I'm gonna say is responsible is they take care of their own business, and they do what they say, and they say what they mean. Let's wait. Logical and discursive. Logical here is it's special. Logical mean here is something like the capability of exploring the ideas clearly and intelligently. And the last one is discerning. It's something like the special, something special that they have in their life because they can see and understand people or situations and also the things. So if you get a friend with an A blood, you are lucky one because they can understand you. So that is